So this is really cool. We literally just followed the creek down and we got to this. I'm pretty sure there's like some ponds back that way. I don't know if we're gonna make it to those, but look at this, guys. This looks pretty dang fishy. Got him. Bigger than I thought it was gonna be. What is this? Is this a smallmouth? All right, guys, well, I came to fish a waterfall, but not much water. Probably some salamanders and crawfish and stuff, though. But I definitely not anywhere to put my minnow trap. That's false advertisement on the waterfall, isn't it? Woo!
It's alive!
Look at it. I'm trying to find some living stuff. Oh, crayfish. I can get them. Look. It's a little crayfish. I'll feed these to the brochure.
Yeah.
Look at that. You're going to pinch me. Uh-oh. Look at that little dude. I'll put some water in there for him. All right, guys. Well, that's at least fish food. See if I can get more. It's slick, huh? Careful. Guys, I just found this little pool with a bunch of minnows in it. I'm going to put my minnow trap there and try and catch them all. I think that'll be pretty freaking cool. I'm not even sure what they are. They look pretty cool, though. I don't know what they are. We're going to put it there, guys. It's so crazy, like a little tiny stream this size can have so much life in it. There was a bunch of minnows there. All right, guys, so I got my fish trap. Just got cat food in there. Should work perfect. I'm gonna drop it in this little hole. Not this one, the next one. We'll see if we can catch these guys. It might be creek chubs. It could be something else. They are everywhere. Oh gosh, there's a lot. I don't even know what they are. I don't think those are creek chubs. Put it right there and just see if they go in. There's freaking little fish everywhere. I scared them though, so we're gonna back off. So yeah, guys, you can see my fish trap right there. Tons of little fish in there. We'll see if we can get any. We're probably gonna go maybe hike or something, maybe go down to the creek and try and fish a little bit. But hopefully when we come back, it's gonna be full of fish. There was a bunch in there. It's pretty cool. Still pretty though. I was just expecting a bigger waterfall. Like I wasn't like necessarily expecting a bigger waterfall. I was just expecting like more water because in the pictures there was way more water. Here we are up above it. That's a little sketchy. In Crocs. More creek. Might be some crawfish up here. Looks bigger from up here. Pretty good drop. Big crawfish. I just seen a big crawfish. I'm trying and get him. He was just swimming around. Where'd he go? There he is. This guy's gonna pinch me. He's blue. He's got blue on him. That is so cool. He was just swimming. I seen him just swimming. I'm gonna try and feed these to my brochure. We'll see. There's probably more. That's good for now, though. We'll probably get more in that trap down there. Man, he's got like some blue on him. Look at that guy. He's trying to pinch me. I'm gonna take him down to the bucket. It's like a crab kind. Remember the crabs? Yeah. I'm gonna put him in the bucket. She's like, I don't know about that. They're probably gonna end up fighting in the bucket. Oh, he's a lot bigger. He's probably gonna end up eating the other guy. Oh boy. What's cool is like each little pool is like its own ecosystem. I'm in the biggest pool down there with that trap, so we're gonna see if we can catch all those fish. So I think we're gonna go walk down to the bigger river. I'm just gonna leave it there for at least like an hour or so. We're gonna come back and see if we got any of those minnows. Cool little bridge. Apparently there's some wetlands down that way. Maybe we should go down that way. That's pretty cool. We're gonna go down to the creek so we can catch a fish. So this is really cool. We literally just followed the creek down and we got to this. This looks really fishy. And then I'm pretty sure there's like some ponds back that way. I don't know if we're gonna make it to those, but look at this, guys. This looks pretty dang fishy. All right, guys, well, there's some fish here. I just missed one. She just had like 2 on, my daughter. So we're gonna fish around a little bit, see what they are. I'm gonna try and get one. I got like real small, like pretty much micro fish and stuff. I actually got an ice jig on my rod. I'm gonna see if we can catch something. Got him. Bigger than I thought it was gonna be. What is this? Is this a smallmouth? Oh my gosh, it's a bass. The freaking bass. I was not expecting that. That's almost fish tank size. That would look kind of cool with the brochure. He's really fat. I'm kind of thinking about it, guys. What do you think? Comment below. Should I keep this for my fish tank? I'm really considering. I'm gonna put him in the bucket for now. He's a fat little dude. Look at that. That is crazy. Super cool. Super cool little fat guy. Well, guys, it might be my new pet. He's in the bucket right now. That was pretty freaking cool. See what else is out there. All right, guys, well, I just freaking waited all the way over there in that corner. You can see where it's all muddy. And a snake like went through my legs and then I got snagged. I went over to try to get it and it broke off anyway. But yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna try to get Josie a fish here, and then we're probably gonna go check the minnow trap here soon, see if we got anything. I was trying to get my daughter to catch one. She wasn't even like paying attention or acting excited. Look at that one. He does have some parasites on him though, but that is like the ultimate fish tank size bass right there. The other one's pretty big. How do you get these black parasites off of them though? Anybody know? Comment below. Let me know how you get those off. Probably gonna keep them, just quarantine them or something. That is freaking cool. We're gonna put them in the bucket, guys.
Hi, baby.
Yeah. All right, I guess we go check the minnow bucket. The minnow trap. So we got 2 crawfish and 2 bass in there. One of the bass is kind of big. We might end up letting them go. All right, well, I am walking back to where I put the minnow bucket, back to the waterfall, going to see if there's any fish in there. All right, guys, I can see the trap. I don't even think it's been an hour, so I'm not too sure. There's fish hanging out right in front of it. Now, I'm not too sure if we're gonna have caught anything or not. There's little fish everywhere. I don't think any have swam in though, if I'm being honest. Doesn't look like it. I can see the minnows everywhere. Look at them all. I don't think we got any though, guys. I'm to be completely honest. None figured it out. That's disappointing. Especially with all those fish I saw. That's kind of crazy. I can't believe we didn't catch any. I just couldn't figure out how to get in the trap, I guess. We only had it here about a half hour, so makes sense. I should have left it longer. And if I had an umbrella net, I'd have got them. Pretty bummed there was nothing in the trap, but we do have some pretty cool creatures for our aquarium that we're going to be taking back with us. All right, guys, we are back at my house. Going to acclimate these fish. I'm really thinking I'm just going to put them both in here. This tank's going to definitely be overstocked if I do that. That one bass is a little big, but the big one definitely isn't going to be able to be eaten by the brochure. The little guy potentially, maybe, but I still have this little cichlid in here that I put in here. The reason he's in there is because he was acting sick. I was already treating this tank, so I put him in. But really, I think what's happening is they were just bullying him real bad. Because there's not enough room in there, but all those cichlids are going to be going in here. You know, I'm moving a bunch of stuff around. So yeah, I'm just going to acclimate these fish and then put them in there. I'm going to put the crawfish in there too. They'll definitely get eaten. I'm just going to pour some of this water in. Just slowly keep pouring it in until they're pretty much acclimated. But they've been acclimated for a little bit. I'm gonna start with one of the crayfish, I think. Oh, he wants to bite me. He wants to pinch me. He's not happy. Put him in the tank. He might get eaten like right away. We'll see what happens. If he doesn't get eaten, you know, help keep the tank clean. There he goes. He looks pretty cool in there. Let's see what happens. There's the other crawfish. We're gonna go ahead and put him in as well. There he goes. I think he'll probably definitely get eaten. Look, the sunfish is already thinking about it. Holy crap. Oh, he's trying. Oh my goodness. Let's go get the big guy in. Probably too big for the tank. We're gonna be upgrading the tank again. Need 100 something gallon probably. Man, this guy is feisty. It's gonna be really cool. He is feisty though. That is a pretty good sized bass, guys. Let's see, there he goes. Freaking out. Oh, he is big. He's bigger than I thought. He is good size. He looks cool in there. I'm gonna turn the light on blue light and just kind of let these guys acclimate and chill. This tank's done. The cichlid's gonna be coming out though. Once he's gonna be going in here, once I'm convinced he's healthy. It's, like I said, I've been kind of using this tank as like a hospital tank sort of. Everything in here is kind of a little bit sick. I've been treating. Let's go ahead and turn on the blue light. Let them chill. Green Sunny is picking on the little bass. Green Sunfish has only been in here a couple of days and he's already acting like he runs the place. The brochure has been like really curious about the bass. It's like the most I've seen him swim like at all. So they seem to be adjusting well. The brochure is still trying to figure out what's going on. I'm afraid to turn the tank light on because it's probably going to spook the big guy. He was acting a little wild. So yeah, we're just gonna leave them alone, but they've seemed to have acclimated pretty well. Their gills, they stopped breathing heavy. This guy might be a little big for the tank. That guy's perfect, but he also might become a meal. Hopefully not. I mean, he's got a lot of room in there, but he's definitely gonna outgrow it soon, as you can tell. Brochure's been really curious about the big bass. Trying to figure out who's the next big predator in here. But yeah, they seem to be doing good. So yeah, I'm probably, there's a good chance that I might end up taking the bigger bass and putting it in a pond. There's a pond that's right down the road from me that my buddy actually owns. And Yeah, if he's too stressed out in here, and if he's acting like he doesn't have enough room or anything, he's going to go to that pond. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.